This is how I spotted the AU trade. I was doing my Sunday chart breakdown, and I spotted this nice little downtrend. I've been watching it for a while now. These zones come from my daily and weekly charts. These are my daily zones. This is probably my weekly zone. This is my weekly zone. Y'all got to excuse the background noise. I'm at work right now. I'm a welder trainer also. So I trade in well. You know, one day I'll be just trading, but for now I'm doing both. You see this nice little downtrend right here. Okay, push down. I seen this pullback to the 618 fib level and this trend line and this 260 EMA all in the same area. So I said, you know what, this could be a good time to sell this pair. And let's count back. This is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Monday, Sunday. This is last week. So I seen it set up last week. I started eyeing it for an entry. Okay, quick rundown on where all these lines come from. This is my yellow lines, yellow to yellow. That's a major quarter point. The 1,000 pips in between quarter points, the quarter major to major, from major to minor is 250 pips. This turquoise line is 250 in between here. You have 250 in between this minor to this minor. You do it this way and look back on your charts. Price loves to play on these areas. The turquoise line, the yellow line. You have plays around as excess resistance, resistance, support, resistance up here. Down here is support. It was support at one time right here. Um, right here was support. Right here is resistance. Down here is support. So the quarter points are really, really good if you want to really swing trade and know where price may stop at. I love it for swing trade because you can like actually hold a trade from this turquoise line to this turquoise line. But this particular setup here, it might not reach this turquoise line. I'm thinking price may stop around this area. That's where I got my projections at. This black line here is just a projection of this move right here. Now just place it right here because when you study Forex, you learn that this could possibly be an A, B, C, D pattern. Equal measure moves with the 618. So my projections for this equal measure move is down here. And this is a daily move, so it could be several more days before it reaches this area. I have a lot of confluence in this area. I have a demand zone. I have a support area right here, and I have the negative 27. So this area is a good area for you to take profits are probably going to happen right here in this area. Okay, let's scale down to the H4. Okay, I seen the area here where it returned around on me. I seen some bearish momentum. I typically let the bears go ahead and take over. So I seen this leg right here form. It lets me know, okay, we are ready. I seen this breaker structure. This is an H4 chart. So I seen this big bear candle push through. When you see these big bear candles or bull candles at the level of this last higher low point, I knew to start looking for entries. So when I seen this here print, I put my fibs out. I went from high to low, and this is why I seen the pullback. This is my confirmation candle. Now I seen the pullback to this 50%. I knew right then to start looking for an entry in this area. because I already had my confluence for a sale, and I had a bearish takeover right here on my H4. H2 said the same thing. Even my 8-hour chart right here. Look how beautiful it was on the 8-hour time frame. Bull, 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 bull. I mean bear, bear, all the way down. So I'm like, okay, it's go season. So I scaled down to my hour time frame. Let me move this out the way right quick. So when I seen this double fib cluster, this is my daily fib right here. This red line, this is my smaller time frame fib. This is called a fib cluster. I'm looking for entry now at this point. I'm looking for a nice bearish candle to enter on. So when I seen this pullback, I seen this bear candle right here print, I got in. I put my stops above here, and let my trade play out. As you can see, it came down, came back up. So I went to negative, and but I held my trade because my process was just holding until it completes. So I didn't get worried. I didn't get all concerned about my trade. I set it. I let it go, and it's the outcome. A nice, really nice catch. See, it came down to my 0%. I took some profits here. I kept my trade in. It came back up. I wasn't in drawdown, but I did lose some profits at one time. No big deal because I'm shooting for negative 27. Okay, for my second TP in this trend line area right here. This is my second TP. First TP was my 0% is my first TP. Negative 27 is my second TP. Negative 618 is my third TP. So I stayed in the trade. And I scaled out at times as well. But I stayed in it though. I didn't worry. Okay, that's one thing about trade. You can't, once you do your analysis and you know or have a good feeling where price is going, and you know your entry, you know your take profit, you know your stop loss. Let the trade play out. Let it play out. As you can tell, it played out beautifully. And it's still going down. My projections for this move is actually pretty far. I got out of the trade because my TPs were hit, but I can always re-enter now on the pullback next week, maybe Monday or Tuesday. I'll see a nice pullback off this leg here, pull back to this 7,500 area right here. It pulls back here, or even pulls back here. I'm still bearish on it regardless. I'll put my 4-hour chart. Look at the 2-hour chart. And I measure this leg from high to low, and wherever I find confluence at, I will look for a sell to sell it back down again. Because remember, my overall take profit or projections for this pair are pretty far. Like my overall projection for this pair is right here. I measure this leg, and I put it right here where it took off from. So my overall is right in this area. We're going to see some major take profits at in this area right here. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm here to answer them. I hope I covered it pretty well for you. Excuse the background noise.